If you are watching this video, you are in the right path to becoming debt-free. Why, you ask? Because if you are here, even if I clearly told you not to watch this video, you are someone who is not afraid of doing things differently than everyone else. The road to becoming debt-free can get lonely. You will have to make some sacrifices. You won't be able to go to every trip you want to go. You won't be able to go out every weekend with your friends as you wish you could. But you will be able to feel a peace you have never felt before. The sea is going to get calmer. The wind is going to get gentler. The sounds are going to get more peaceful. The sun will shine brighter. So all those nights you couldn't make it to that bar, the car you had to sell to help cover your credit card debts or your student loans, that Nintendo Switch you weren't able to buy, every sacrifice you made will be completely worth it. You have to stay laser focused to become debt-free. It's easy to get lost in the way. When someone invites you out, when you have had a bad day at work, when special dates are coming, when you are just tired of working, you will be tempted to get a little carried away with extra expenses. But you always have to remember, why are you working this hard? Why do you have 2 jobs instead of just the one everyone else has? Well, why? Because you want a better life than the one most of them has. And you are willing to sacrifice a few trips for a few months or even a few years to get that peace you know you deserve. That is your #1 goal, to become debt-free for yourself, for your family, and for your future. And when you get there, you will feel that everything was worth it. You can do this. Stop spending your money in things that you don't need so you can get to live the life you want, the life of your dreams. Well, I can go on and on saying all this inspirational stuff, but how do you feel about it? Are you ready to do what it takes? If you are, then let's do it together. It gets easier if you have a support system. You are not alone. I am on the same journey as you are, and I am ready. Are you? Let's become debt-free. If this video inspired you and got you pumped, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and once again, we can do this. Just believe that you can, and you will get there.